I'm so excited for the wild conversation coming up this Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific time for 1 hour, and where we're going to be talking about the people paradox, the series that we're in right now, and specifically the tension of being understood versus understanding, and that tension we face. And so often what's happening, the message that we hear is you be yourself, you do you, but the reality is in a leadership role that no longer works, because now we're responsible for the convictions of others. And so how do we understand them at the same time that we are seeking to be understood, which is part of the real tension. That's the real story. Like, that's the reality of what people face. Just like that crow is seeking to be understood right now. So I hope you'll jump in this Friday, 10 a.m. in our People Paradox series. I'm really looking forward to it, and we need your voice in there with some amazing, phenomenal leaders who are jumping in every Friday. See you there.